For generations, the ultra-wealthy have mastered a profound secret. They don't just accumulate money, they build and maintain fortunes designed to last for generations. This isn't about fleeting riches, but enduring prosperity. True wealth, you see, isn't merely about the paper money in your bank account. It's about understanding and acquiring stores of value. These are the foundational elements that truly underpin lasting financial security. These specific assets are meticulously chosen for a critical purpose. They are designed to withstand the most severe economic storms, acting as bulwarks against market volatility and inflation. They provide stability when everything else feels uncertain. Ultimately, the goal of these assets is singular and powerful. They serve to preserve wealth over time, ensuring that your hard-earned capital doesn't erode, but rather grows and sustains itself for the future. This is the true art of generational wealth. First among these powerful assets is real estate, a timeless foundation of wealth. This isn't just about owning a single home. It encompasses commercial properties, luxury residences, and even vast tracts of farmland. Each offers unique advantages. Real estate provides an undeniable, tangible value. You can see it, touch it, and understand its physical presence. This inherent tangibility offers a sense of security that purely digital or paper assets cannot always replicate. Beyond its physical presence, real estate generates consistent income. Commercial properties yield rent, luxury residences can be leased, and farmland produces crops or livestock. This cash flow is a vital component of sustained wealth. Crucially, real estate acts as a powerful inflation hedge. As the cost of living rises, property values and rental income tend to increase in tandem. This protects your purchasing power and preserves your capital over the long term. Next, we turn to the strategic world of stocks, but not just any stocks. The wealthy focus on solid, blue-chip companies. These are established, financially sound corporations with a long history of stable earnings and reliable dividends. Their investments are concentrated in essential industries. Think about sectors that are fundamental to daily life, regardless of economic cycles. These companies provide goods and services that people consistently need, ensuring steady demand. The emphasis here is unequivocally on long-term growth, not overnight riches. This approach involves patience and a deep understanding of market cycles. It's about compounding returns over decades, not chasing speculative gains. This disciplined strategy avoids the pitfalls of short-term trading. It allows the power of compounding to work its magic, transforming modest investments into substantial wealth over time. This is a cornerstone of patient capital. Perhaps the most powerful and often overlooked asset is education itself. Knowledge is truly inalienable. It cannot be taken from you, unlike any physical or financial possession. It is a permanent, compounding investment in yourself. Education equips individuals with critical thinking abilities. This isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about learning how to analyze information, solve complex problems, and make informed decisions in any situation. It fosters necessary financial literacy, a skill often neglected in traditional schooling. Understanding how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it grow is fundamental to building and preserving wealth. Ultimately, education is essential for navigating the complexities of wealth creation. It empowers you to identify opportunities, mitigate risks, and adapt to changing economic landscapes. It is the ultimate competitive advantage. For millennia, precious metals like gold and silver have been considered ancient stores of value. Their enduring appeal lies in their intrinsic properties and their historical role as a medium of exchange and wealth preservation. These metals possess remarkable durability and inherent scarcity. They don't corrode, and their supply is finite, making them resistant to the inflationary pressures that can devalue paper currencies. This makes them truly unique. They offer a unique immunity to political and economic turmoil. In times of crisis, when traditional financial systems falter, gold and silver often retain or even increase their value, providing a safe haven for capital. Functioning as wealth insurance, precious metals are particularly valuable during uncertain times. They act as a hedge against currency devaluation and systemic risk, providing a crucial layer of protection for your portfolio. Government bonds serve as an often overlooked but incredibly important safety net within a diversified portfolio. They represent a loan made to a government which promises to pay interest and return the principal at maturity. They provide a secure way to protect capital, especially for the more conservative portion of a portfolio. While returns may be modest, the risk of default is generally very low, particularly with stable, developed nations. These bonds are particularly valuable during economic downturns. When stock markets are volatile, bonds often provide stability and a reliable income stream, balancing out the riskier assets in a portfolio. They offer a predictable return and a high degree of liquidity. This makes them an essential component for wealth preservation, ensuring that a portion of your assets remains safe and accessible, even in turbulent times. The value of fine art and collectibles is driven by the scarcity of unique items. These are not mass-produced goods, but rare pieces that hold cultural, historical, or artistic significance, making them highly sought after. Examples include masterpieces of painting, exquisite luxury watches, and meticulously preserved vintage cars. Each item possesses a unique story and a limited supply, contributing to its escalating value over time. These items represent a tangible store of wealth, much like real estate. They can be appreciated, displayed, and enjoyed, offering a different kind of return beyond mere financial gain. They are assets with aesthetic appeal. While requiring specialized knowledge and a long-term perspective, these assets can offer significant appreciation. They are often acquired by the wealthy not just for investment, but also for passion and prestige. Cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, remains a controversial and speculative asset. Its decentralized nature and digital scarcity challenge traditional financial paradigms, making it a subject of intense debate and interest. Bitcoin, with its programmed scarcity and fixed supply, is gaining traction as a potential store of value. Its design limits the total number of coins, mirroring the scarcity of precious metals and offering a hedge against inflation. It is increasingly seen by some as a potential hedge against traditional financial systems. Its independence from central banks and government control appeals to those seeking alternatives to conventional currencies and banking. The wealthy cautiously allocate a small, strategic portion of their portfolios to digital assets. They understand the inherent risks, but also recognize the potential for significant returns and diversification benefits in this emerging class. While all these assets are vital components of lasting wealth, the most crucial investment you can ever make is in yourself. This is the ultimate secret, the foundation upon which all other wealth is built. It begins with a relentless pursuit of education, not just formal degrees, but continuous learning. Expand your knowledge, acquire new skills, and stay curious about the world and its evolving opportunities. Cultivate deep financial literacy. Understand the principles of investing, budgeting, and debt management. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Finally, commit to smart decision-making. This involves discipline, patience, and the ability to think critically about your financial future. Your personal growth is the most powerful asset you possess.